Affiliate marketing is so much simpler than people realize. After this video you will understand why. You can make money by selling a company's goods by using affiliate marketing. You don't have any inventory as an affiliate marketer, and you get paid on commission. Usually, affiliate marketers are compensated when a customer they send makes a purchase or successfully completes a job. How to start an affiliate marketing business? Here are 4 easy steps to get started with affiliate marketing to get you off to a good start. 1. Select a niche. The most effective affiliate marketers concentrate on a certain specialty. By focusing more narrowly, you can connect with a more niche market and perhaps develop connections that lead to success. Let's say you're considering starting a fashion blog. Think about narrowing it down even more to a specific area, such plus-size clothes, men's fashion, or children's fashion. You'll find it simpler to connect with those who are most likely to act on your referrals by concentrating on a specific niche market. 2. Join an affiliate marketing program. You can either choose programs with high pay but low volume products, or programs with low pay but high volume products. For instance, premium web hosting plans spend between $150 and $200. However, because they provide hosting for busy websites, there aren't many customers. Commissions from platforms like Commission Junction and Amazon Associates, in contrast, are paid out in the single digits. The advantage is that nearly everything mentioned on their site can be promoted. The best program for you will depend on your interests and skill set. 3. Decide on a platform. You have a wide variety of platforms at your disposal. Basically, your affiliate marketing platform can be any website where you can upload a picture, a video, or some text. Options consist of blogs, email, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. Starting off on any of these platforms is comparatively simple. 4. Produce excellent content. Your success may or may not depend on this section. Even if your affiliate partner's items are excellent, you still need to promote them by providing your audience with high-quality material that will keep them interested and lead to sales. Let's take the example of using a blog as your affiliate marketing platform. Don't limit your promotion of your products to text-based content. Add product photographs, customer reviews, unboxing videos, and other content to give it life. If you made it this far into the video, make sure to keep watching and subscribe to our channel for much more development doses. Now that we cleared the simple steps, we will go into further detail to why affiliate marketing can become so simple if you realize some things. Deciding your niche is the most important step in preparing your affiliate marketing business. The most common and popular niches that always will be relevant are health, finance and relationships, so choosing one of these is often a safe option. Since these niches are saturated, you should try to find a sub-niche within one of these niches if you choose to pick one of these. The next biggest steps are content creation and persuading people to buy a product through your link. A very important thing to mention is that the last affiliate link clicked to buy a product is the only one receiving a commission, meaning that it is important that you close the deal. This is one of the most important factors to keep in mind before choosing a platform. Let's assume that you have an account on Instagram and produce great content and promote a certain affiliate offer. People might not see you as an authority, or you don't provide all the information people want before buying. These people might search for a review and end up buying through someone else's affiliate link. Once you realize this, you understand that you need to be in the last stage of a customer's buying journey. You will find it much simpler to close. A great tip is to make review content with a direct link to the offer. This could be on any social media platform or on a blog. Another thing that can be a great option and is popular, but not getting used enough is funnels and email sequences. An affiliate sales funnel is a planned route created to assist customers in transitioning from leads to customers for a particular affiliate product that is being marketed. The buyer's journey is the foundation of the affiliate marketing funnel. The most common use of a funnel makes use of email collection for a free product of some kind, often a free ebook. The first email in the sequence contains the free product. The next email should provide content and tips, so that email open rate stays high. Slowly you can follow up on these email with email promoting the affiliate offer. With a full email sequence, you can often upsell more products to the customer. In a later video, we will elaborate on email marketing and how you can set up the sequence. For now, we end this video with some tips on platforms and websites you can use. ClickBank, Digistore24 and Amazon Associates are amongst some of the most common affiliate marketing platforms for products. And websites like ClickFunnels, Leadpages and GetResponse are platforms where you can build funnels with email follow-up sequences. We hope this video changed your perspective on the difficulty of affiliate marketing and overall online money-making techniques. We hope to see you in our next video where we provide you with more development doses on finance, productivity, habits and mental health.